Exploring visa options for international students. Now, what's so good about this free event? It's an online session. If you can't get to any of some of the free events, guess what? This one's online. Taking place Monday the 9th of May 2022, starting at 3:30 p.m. This one's a no-brainer for those that like convenience. So if you're an international student studying in Melbourne and you're interested in exploring your visa options, this online session could be perfect for you. What's going to happen? It's going to provide an overview of the recent changes and also the various visa options that are available for international students. Now, you've got to be an international student at RMIT and you need to register online. This event is presented by RMIT. Now, you need to register for this event. There's a link in the description below, and it's a free event presented by RMIT. And again, this event is open to international students studying at RMIT only. But if you're studying at one of the other 9 universities based in Melbourne, Australia, why not contact your international student support team for more information about how they can also help you learn more about Australian workplace culture and also etiquette for international students. This is all presented as part of Study. This is all presented by Study Melbourne and Jobs Victoria. Wise Words Media is always looking for great stories about international students in Melbourne, and we're always keen to share any story of any student here that we think might be helpful to those. You might be currently overseas just trying to decide whether to come to Australia. Thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and we'll chat to you soon. This International Student Life is produced by Wise Words Media. This episode contains no paid promotions. All information in this episode is taken from sources available to the public in the public domain. Wise Words Media accepts no responsibility for any errors or omissions of information in this episode. Melbourne International Student Week is presented by the Committee for Melbourne and proudly sponsored by Study Melbourne as an initiative of the Economic Development Department of the Victorian State Government.